Transitioning from sport to a new career is not just a physical change, it's a mental one. As an athlete, your identity, routine, and goals have been deeply connected to your sport, so it's completely normal to feel uncertainty, pressure, or even a loss of direction when that chapter changes. But this is where your greatest strength comes in: your mindset. Sport has already trained you to be resilient. You know how to handle setbacks, stay disciplined, and keep going even when things are difficult. The key is to apply that same mentality to your career transition. Instead of seeing change as a loss, start seeing it as a new challenge. Just like in sport, progress takes time. You won't have everything figured out immediately. And that's okay. Motivation doesn't always come first. Action does. Another important part is adapting. In sport, you constantly adjust to new situations, opponents, and conditions. The same applies here. Be open to learning, trying new things, and stepping outside your comfort zone. Through EACEA Compass, you can find guidance and support to help you stay focused, build confidence, and navigate this transition with clarity. Your career may be changing, but your mindset remains your biggest advantage.